The Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Sciences, or CCRAS, is an autonomous body under the Ministry of AYUSH, Government of India, and its primary role involves formulating, coordinating, developing and promoting scientific research in the field of Ayurveda and Sowa-Rigpa.
The Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Sciences is a significant arm of the Ministry of AYUSH for research on scientific lines in the discipline of Ayurveda.
The Council have been using modern techniques and scientific parameters for creating evidence-based, safe, quality and effective Ayurvedic drugs and formulations.
The Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Sciences has been working diligently and consistently since its formation.
Our vision at Council is to strive for excellence in the field of Ayurveda by comprehensive research for quality assured and cost effective products to prevent, manage, cure various diseases.
The Council is conducting clinical research through its 26 research institutes with OPD and IPD facilities. CCRAS has a well-defined research policy for executing intramural and collaborative research. The research policy of the Council is aimed at encouraging its scientists for the formulation, submission and execution of research projects to meet the objectives of quality research through its wide network of 30 peripheral institutes located all over India. A standardized Prakriti assessment scale has been developed by CCRAS, and it is also working towards validation of Ayurvedic diagnostic tool to develop standardized Ayurveda case-taking protocol. CCRAS has proactively promoted Panchakarma treatment facilities, making it easily available at various institutes like National Ayurveda Research Institute of Panchakarma, Cheruthuruthi in Kerala. Similarly, Kshar Sutra is another unique Ayurvedic parasurgical procedure and time-tested Ayurvedic technique in the management of anorectal disorders like piles and fistula. The Council has recently developed a unique, cost-effective and safe technique for automation of standardized Kshar Sutra preparation in collaboration with IIT Delhi. Its research activities include clinical research, fundamental research, medicinal plant research, drug standardization, pharmacological research, and literary research and documentation. Besides, CCRAS is also extending healthcare services through outreach activities such as Tribal Healthcare Research Program, Ayurveda Mobile Healthcare Program under Scheduled Caste Sub-Plan Swasthya Rakshan Program, integration of Ayurveda with National Program for Prevention and Control of Cancer, Diabetes, Cardiovascular Diseases and Strokes, and Ayurvedic Health Centers under Northeast Plan, etc. The Tribal Healthcare Research Program under Tribal Sub-Plan was initiated with the aim to study the living conditions of tribal people, understand folk medicines and local health traditions used by them. The program is executed at 15 peripheral institutes and units. Swasthya Rakshan Program was initiated in November 2015 in 21 institutes across 19 Indian states with the aim to make people aware of the importance of good health, cleanliness of domestic surroundings and environment for propagation of knowledge about hygiene and to provide medical aid to the patients of selected colonies and villages. The Ayurveda Mobile Healthcare Program under Scheduled Castes Sub-Plan was initiated during November 2015 in 20 institutes across 18 Indian states. It started out with the aim to study the living conditions of these communities, propagation hygiene awareness, prevention of diseases, and to provide medical aid at their doorsteps. In addition to healthcare services, the Council also generates data for research through these outreach activities with an aim to gauge the overall situation of patients, ailments, and indigenous medical systems. With an agenda to infuse the benefits of natural and traditional medicines for both curative and preventive results, CCRAS is working proactively to integrate Ayurveda with NPCDCS, a national program for prevention and control of cancer, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and stroke.
The results of the program are promising in the management of these diseases, and it has unraveled the potential of integration of Ayurveda and Yoga with conventional system of medicine.
Given India's vast natural reserves and biodiversity, naturally, the conservation of medicinal plant value is an essential component under the Medicinal Plant Research Program of the Council. Pharmacognosy, an applied science which involves the study of physical, chemical, biochemical and biological properties of natural drug substances and the search for new drugs from natural sources, is an important and indispensable part of pharmaceutical education. Understanding its potential, CCRAS established pharmacognostical research units at Bengaluru and Kolkata. Moreover, the Medico-Ethno-Botanical Survey Program of CCRAS plays a pivotal role in the documentation of medicinal plants of India. The Council has surveyed every phytogeographic region from the Himalayan alpine ranges to coastal areas of Andaman and Nicobar Islands through its 5 peripheral institutes at Bengaluru, Guwahati, Itanagar, Jhansi, and Ranikhet. These institutes have been instrumental in collecting and preserving more than 120,000 herbarium specimens and about 5,000 museum specimens from several survey units spread across the country. So far, the Council has carried out pharmacognostical studies on 400 single drugs, phytochemical studies of 220 drugs, physico-chemical constants of 889 single drugs, and 623 formulations, and the statics improve steadily. Since time immemorial, medicinal plants have been used in the mitigation and treatment of various ailments. Therefore, identification of crude drug is a fundamental step in the formulation of plant-based drugs. Cultivation of medicinal plant under Medicinal Plant Research Program is another crucial segment. The preeminent objectives of cultivation of medicinal plant includes adaptability, growth, flowering and fruiting time of medicinal plants, including suitable maturity time. Considering this, the Council established 5 demonstrative cultivation gardens at Pune, Jhansi, Itanagar, Tarikhet, and Leh. A major thrust area of the Council is to develop quality standards of single and compound formulations and standard operating procedures through its peripheral institutes in Chennai, Kolkata, Patiala, Gwalior, and Cheruthuruthi. Units of the Council are working to generate data on standardization, development of standard operating procedures, and physiochemical analysis of Ayurvedic drugs. In addition to these, testing of formulations for quality control of the drugs used for clinical trial or OPD are also performed regularly. The aim of standardization is to scientifically validate the quality and safety of single drugs of herbal, mineral, metal, and animal origin and to compound formulations as per API guidelines. Pharmacological and toxicological studies constitute a very vital part in drug research program. Under pharmacology research, Ayurvedic drugs are studied for their toxicity evaluation and biological activity in various areas such as bronchial asthma, diabetes mellitus, immunomodulation, wound healing, etc. So far, pharmacological studies of about 500 Ayurvedic drug formulations and toxicity study of more than 200 Ayurvedic drug formulations have been conducted. These studies are conducted in CCRAS institutes at Kolkata, Chennai, Gwalior, Cheruthuruthi and Pune. Under the IPR policy, CCRAS develops unique Ayurvedic formulations in order to safeguard its ownership, protection and against exploitation of intellectual property. Till date, 17 patents have been awarded to CCRAS for unique formulations like Ayush 64 for malaria, Ayush Ghutti for cold and cough, Ayush 56 for epilepsy, etc. Further, these technologies are transferred from research centers to industry. And at present, 12 technologies have been transferred to industry for commercialization, namely Ayush 82, Ayush SG, Ayush 64, etc. The Council is dedicated to revive and retrieve texts from ancient manuscripts and rare books, which includes collection and compilation of references relating to drugs and diseases from classical treatises, lexicographic work, contemporary literature and publications related to Ayurveda and other medical systems. So far, about 235 books, monographs, technical reports, etc. have been published, around 2,504 claims collected and 14 books published as a result of the Medico-Ethno-Botanical Survey. The Council is also publishing IEC material like brochures, booklets, etc. for wider dissemination of Ayurveda among masses. CCRAS has also prepared e-book of classical Ayurveda textbooks such as Shushrut Samhita, etc. with advanced text search options. The Council is committed to the revival and mainstreaming of the ancient therapeutic practice of Marma Chikitsa. CCRAS is further publishing periodicals such as the Journal of Research in Ayurvedic Sciences, available at www.grasccras.com, and Journal of Drug Research in Ayurvedic Sciences, available at www.jdrasccras.com. The Ministry of AYUSH, Government of India, intends to disseminate the merits of AYUSH systems across the globe. To implement this thought, a web-based AYUSH research portal has been initiated to showcase the related information of these systems, such as evidence-based research data. The CCRAS headquarters and the National Institute of Indian Medical Heritage, Hyderabad, are coordinating and maintaining the web portal in collaboration with National Informatics Center, Hyderabad. CCRAS has been involved in the development of standardized terminologies and morbidity codes for various disease conditions mentioned in Ayurveda for uniform usage of terminologies and also to create a system of centralized morbidity data collection. The National AYUSH Morbidity and Standardized Terminologies e-portal is a website exclusively dedicated to the centralized collection of morbidity statistics of various healthcare providing institutions under all AYUSH systems spread across the country. Understanding the growing need for the safe, natural and effective healthcare system, CCRAS recently proposed a strategy emphasizing the need for research and development of new drugs within a 15-year plan for focused research outcomes. The Council is taking Ayurveda to the world with endless efforts to promote sustainable development of this unique medicinal science using latest techniques with scientific evidence-based studies.
I must acknowledge that the CCRAS has significantly contributed to the scientific advancement in the field of Ayurveda and has been shouldering the task to generate tangible evidence of the classic Ayurveda formulation therapies for their clinical safety and efficacy. We are proud that the Council has successfully maintained the standard for producing the quality research work and contributed to the burgeoning growth of the discipline of Ayurvedic science.
These incessant efforts of CCRAS have contributed to the promotion and growth of Ayurveda through its highly motivated team of scientists, professionals and staff spread across the country for the commitment, dedication and sincerity for scientific advancements in Ayurveda. This is the beginning of resurrecting a medical legend, an era of the ancient knowledge in full swing.